welcome to this part of the course, support and resistance. In this welcome lecture, I'm just going to show you exactly why many traders trade support and resistance and why it's my favorite way of trading price action. So what we've got here, we've got a resistance. You can see this like a ceiling. Okay, so pretend support and resistance is a bit like a house. You want to go upstairs, you've got to go on to the next level. So that ceiling is obviously resistance, and obviously the floor, which is support, which means you can actually go any lower than the support. So in this case, what you've seen is the market's moved up into an area where sellers are grouped. All this zone is just an area where we believe sellers are in the market and where they're going to start selling the market off, i.e. if something's been really hardly overbought, something is going to start being sold off. If something becomes too cheap, people are going to start buying it. So in this case, you've got a nice transition period at the top, and then the market comes back down into support. Support is an area where buyers are, which pushes the price back up. So it's a bit like playing tennis, or for you, it's a bit of an older generation, might remember the game Pong, where you got the two sticks and the ball bounces back and forth. Support and resistance is very, very much like that. Okay, when support and resistance breaks, i.e. here, this area here, let me just little channel here. So you can see where the market is actually crashed through support and gone to the downside. Then obviously this support, when the price comes back up, it will then become resistance. And the same as when we scroll back through this chart, I'm just going to delete all my lines quickly. You're going to see areas where support has become resistance and so on. So here you can see that support, this area here, it's gone up into resistance. It's come all the way, crashing back down. And then you can see that there's a little bit of indecision caused, and it's managed to crash all the way back down and so on. Okay, so another example. This is a bit more of a cleaner example than the last. The price here has gone from support to resistance. The selling price hasn't been pushed as far as the sellers would like, and the buyers have gained control of the market, pushing the price up. Now you can see the market's turned around and retested this area as support before it made its way to the next level of resistance. So the easiest way to say this is it's literally like playing tennis. You've got your resistance at the top, your support at the bottom. Just remember, if your candle's in the middle, resistance is always above, support is always below. Okay, and I'm going to explain about exactly how to trade this later on in the price action video.